Hi everyone, welcome to another video of mine. I hope everyone's having a nice day today. So today is a nice Sunday afternoon, so just decided to come in and do some plane spotting today. So hopefully everyone's having a nice day. So that flight there, that flight just came from, where is it? Sorry, from Brisbane, and that is a Qantas Airbus A220. There's also going to be a Sri Lankan Airways flight coming in shortly, and that's from Colombo, and that was a bit late, so coming in from Colombo. So my flight radar doesn't seem to be working today for some reason. I'm not sure as to why. Decided to do an update in the middle. So that flight just took off. Where's that going to? The flight just took off going to the Gold Coast as a Virgin Australia, Boeing 737. The flight is just landing now, coming in from Colombo in Sri Lanka. And the flight took 9 hours and 23 minutes. It's coming in from Colombo, and it's a bit delayed, 18 minutes early, sorry, on time, but coming in early. And that will be going to the international terminal, so terminal number 2. Currently using another site called Plane Finder, so this is a bit more different to what I'm used to with Flight Radar. Decided to do an update and I can't download it over. I don't have Wi-Fi, so let's see, sorry. So that's Sri Lankan Airlines just landing. Hopefully everyone's having a nice day today. The flight that just took off here is a flight to Brisbane, and that is a Qantas 737-838. And there is going to be a flight that's going to Honolulu from Melbourne. So this is a United Airlines flight, but usually they go flight directly from here to Los Angeles. They're saying it's being diverted to Honolulu. I'm not exactly sure as to why it is being diverted. Can't really see anything, so but it says it's being diverted to Honolulu from Melbourne. So I did take the sky bus from the city. Took about half an hour to get here. United Airlines flight to LA, and the Honolulu is going to be departing shortly, but today is going to Honolulu instead of LA. So and that is and Boeing 787 Dreamliner. That's going to Honolulu now. Actually, I was a bit surprised when I saw it was going to Honolulu. day. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. So flight is just taking off now. There's a flight to Brisbane, and that is a Jetstar flight, and the flight takes a few minutes. The flight takes a couple of hours to get to Brisbane, and that is an Airbus E320. See the Sri Lankan Airlines flight right there. The tail, you can see the tail. See Qantas, and a few other airlines. Not sure that airline with the blue tail. That looks nice. And there are quite a number of people in the plane spotting area on Operations Road. Quite a lot more than normal. So the weather is actually good today. So it's a good day to come out plane spotting. You can see the United Airlines flight doing a U-turn and making its way up north to Honolulu, or northeast. So it's going to do a U-turn around Melbourne Airport and then go around. So I'm going to finish up the video here. It's a bit quiet today, so thanks everyone for watching. I hope everyone has a nice day today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video.